Hi friends and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about the Areca Palm. Areca Palm is non-toxic to pets. The Areca Palm is different from a parlor palm. These two plants look similar, but their plant care needs are a little different. The Areca Palm likes bright indirect light. Let's get some more of the plant in here. It doesn't like low light conditions like the parlor palm. If your Areca palm doesn't get enough sunlight, its leaves will turn yellow and start to wrinkle. If your Areca palm gets too much sunlight or direct light, it will get burnt leaves like sunburn, which won't return to its normal color. You can prune these leaves if you don't like the looks of them. If it doesn't get the right amount of sunlight exposure, it will let you know. You can also use grow lights or LED lights. Now with watering, your Areca palm is from a tropical place called Madagascar. The Areca palm prefers moist soil, but I don't soak this plant, only when it's completely dry. So I'm going to take this water meter and test this right now. Put this way down. See, this is dry right down that end. So I gotta water it until it moves up to the moist area. And you can also use this chopstick or a stick. Yeah, and that's coming out dry. So they need watered, both of them, at the same time. Try not to let your plant dry out. Water more in the spring and summer, less in fall and winter. As time goes on, you'll learn your plant's watering needs. So I do have two here, and I always check the moisture on them. I got them out. It's pretty bright out here in the screened-in porch, but I don't put them directly in the sun. In the fall and winter, water your Areca palm 7 to 10 days. Always check your soil. Do not overwater. So I'm going to go ahead and water this, both of these. I'm going to give it, because it is kind of dry, so I'm going to give it a good soak, and then I'll watch the bottom. And if there's a lot of water left down there, I'll empty the trays. Let me get this one. There, it's nice and warm today, so that'll be good. And let's see if anything's coming down through the tray. Yeah, let it kind of run down through the tray, but don't let it set in water, you will get root rot. So I'm going to let that drain through, and then I'll empty the trays in a little bit. Your soil should be well draining. If not well draining, this can cause root rot. A mixture of peat moss, potting soil, and perlite will be a great combination to help your plant thrive. If you can find a pre-mixed palm soil, that would be great. Indoors, your Areca palm can grow up to 10 feet. Outside, up to 35 feet. So at least with indoors, you can trim her down and keep her maintained more if you don't want her to grow that tall. Just find a good spot for your Areca palm. Now I want to thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below. Bye-bye for now.